Welcome back, everyone. You may have just tried to update your iPhone, and for some reason, you keep running into a ton of different problems when updating your device. Now, it isn't necessarily just a cutthroat problem like this is the issue that you're experiencing, this is how to fix it, but there are some ways you can actually go ahead and fix this in some kind of broad ways. So, I'll break down pretty much the two main ways to go about doing it. The first way being pretty much deleting an update that may have already been installed on your device. But basically, the main way you can do this sometimes it just comes down to restarting your device. So you just want to hold the volume up button and the side button, and you want to fully power off your device. You then want to wait until it's fully powered off and turn it back on by clicking the side button right here. That, believe it or not, might actually end up fixing the problem. Now, if that for some reason doesn't end up fixing it, which it probably won't, but sometimes it will, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings app. You want to come into this specific page. You want to scroll down until you get into general, which is right here. Then you'll find this little option called iPhone storage. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on that. You'll come into this little page and you'll see pretty much all your little things that you have, all the apps, pretty much anything that's taking up storage on your device. You'll go ahead and basically be able to eliminate all those specific things straight from here. So what you want to do while you're here, and this is so important, you want to see if there are any iOS updates that are installed or downloaded in this specific page. Now you may not be able to see it outright, but by scrolling through, you may see an update that's like iOS 14.5 or iOS 15.7 if you're watching this in the future. You might see an update here, and it tends to be a bigger update. You can see the size in megabytes on the right side, sometimes in gigs too. If you look all the way at the top, you can see 1.8 gigs, so 9.2 gigs for Fortnite. You'll basically see all these different things, and all you're looking for pretty much is trying to find that iOS update. If there's an iOS update here, you want to go ahead, click on it, and you want to delete that update. So if let's just say, Keynote was the app I wanted to go, I would go ahead and click delete the specific install file, and it'll pretty much be deleted from my device. So what you can do at this point is hop out of here, and you want to go back into your little software update little panel, and you want to go ahead and reinstall and re-download the specific update. This is probably one of the most important things you can do if you're having errors when it comes down to actually updating or installing that update. If you're stuck on, iOS estimated time error, whatever that is, that tends to be the most important one. That is exactly how I tend to fix it. And again, I install these updates when a new update comes out. I install it on so many devices at one time that I get the error all the time. And this ends up being probably the number one way that I end up fixing it. Now, let's say that doesn't end up being the issue and you can still install it or whatever the case is, but it's not it's not even on your iPhone storage, so you can't even download it in the first place. Well, the next thing you can do is just to see how much storage you have left on your device. Sometimes you may just be running out of storage in general. So this next method is pretty much following the same path, but just verifying how big that update is and seeing how much storage you have left. So what you want to do is you want to make your way back into your settings app. You want to scroll down until you see general right here. So you want to go ahead and click on it. You'll see a couple different options just like before. You want to go ahead and click on iPhone storage, which is right here. Now at the very top, you want to see how much storage you have left. If you have like 1 gig left and the update is 2 gigs, you're not going to be able to install it. It's just not going to happen. You're not going to have enough storage. So what you want to do is you are going to have to delete some things off your phone temporarily or put them on the iCloud and then re-download those specific updates when the time comes. So what you can do in this case is pretty much just go through, let's say I don't need iMovie for some reason. Well, what I would do is I would go ahead and offload this app or delete this app, hop out, and then see how much storage I have left. If I have enough storage for my device, then I would go ahead and just reinstall the update. Let's say I have enough storage at this point. Well, what I would do is I would hop out of here. I would then go into software update, and I would go ahead and download and install the update yet again. And believe it or not, this will end up fixing the issue for a majority of people. Like I said, if for some reason it's still running into a lot of errors for the estimated time remaining error, go ahead, restart your device by holding down these two buttons, power off, power back on, and then go through the update again and see if you're able to install it. Like I said before, this will probably end up fixing the errors more so than not. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.